Afi Scooter M is the new operation scooter designed and manufactured by Electrique Electric Vehicles. Afi Scooter M is a powerful electric vehicle designed for service and maintenance personnel on large operational grounds, hospitals, and industrial plants. Thanks to its impressive carrying capacity of up to 660 pounds and its maneuvering capabilities, it is your ideal work pal. Afi Scooter M is available in a 3-wheel model. It has two 75-amp batteries that give it a 30-mile range. Afi Scooter M is available with a standard large loading service, a drop-down tailgate, a tow hitch, and optional 10-inch walls. Afi Scooter M was designed for maximum driving convenience. That's why we incorporated compartments for small objects, such as a cellular phone, glasses, or keys. The ergonomically designed tiller is adjustable to meet the driver's exact preference. The swiveling orthopedic seat, as well as the adjustable arm and backrests, allow easy access to the vehicle and optimal comfort during use. The Afi Scooter M is equipped with rear GT wheels. The suspension and wheels allow for a smooth and safe ride in all terrains. The shock absorber system and the orthopedic chair guarantee that you will feel comfortable during a full working day. Afi Scooter M automatic braking system ensures a safe stop in any situation. Afi Scooter M is charged by a cable plugged into a clearly visible and easily accessible socket. The digital drive controller display is easy and simple to operate. Switch between different data items by means of the 2 buttons below the display. The control system includes a power switch. An advanced LCD display control panel indicates speed, driving length, working hours counter, battery status, lighting, and signing. An operating lever. A forward or backward switch. A speed range selector, marked 1 for full speed, marked half to limit to half speed. Buzzer controls on both handlebars. A turn indicator switch, brake lights and safety mirrors. Long-lasting, energy-efficient LED headlight. A special mechanism automatically dims the headlight when Afi Scooter M stops in order to prevent blinding and to save electricity. Light level automatically goes to maximum once driving is resumed. Afi Scooter M is a 3-wheel scooter with high maneuverability. This vehicle allows particularly easy steering and a smooth driving experience in various operational grounds, such as corridors, service elevators, warehouses, and narrow passages. Afi Scooter M can be equipped with a canopy and a front window to protect you in any weather condition. Electrique Electric Vehicles has been a leading developer and manufacturer of mobility scooters since 1978. We have a full range of mobility scooters available with a wide selection of accessories to suit all needs. For further information about our different scooters and accessories, please visit our website, www.afiscooters.com.